Wow. Rice is a splendid idea when it comes to easy peasy lunch or dinner ideas because it takes around 15 to 20 minutes to cook. So in this video or in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very flavorful, delicious masala rice recipe, which is going to turn out mouth-watering. It's going to be perfect whenever you're meal prepping, or if you're tired of eating white rice, this is the recipe for you to try out. This recipe is super customizable because you can throw in any vegetables that you have in your fridge. I have prepped up some carrots, garlic and ginger. We have an onion, corn, that is sweet corn, tomatoes, green beans, and red capsicum for the recipe. And you're going to find everything listed in the description box down below. You're going to get straight into cooking this easy peasy recipe by placing a heavy bottomed pot. When cooking rice, you have to use a heavy bottomed pot so that the rice outcome can be perfect. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to your pot. Then we're going to be sauteing our onions for around a minute until they get a nice perfect golden brown color, which is not too dark. So I'm going to grab a spatula, stir in my onion. This step is very crucial because we're building flavor for our masala rice. Before you start cooking, you're going to wash and soak 1 cup of some good quality rice, which is going to be perfect for the recipe. This is all my onions. When your onions are ready, add in a thumb-sized ginger and 5 cloves of garlic. I love how fresh garlic and ginger adds in lots of flavor. But if you don't have the fresh ones, you can add in the powdered ones. Add in a couple of spices which make the masala rice very flavorful. And I'm going to be adding in a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, paprika, cumin powder, and garam masala. Stir in. Add in a beef stock cube, which you can substitute with vegetable stock cube. And immediately you add in your spices into the pot, the kitchen is going to get a very nice flavorful aroma since we are toasting the spices. So this is going to make the rice super flavorful and aromatic. I have some corn I'm going to throw in as well at this point. And immediately the turmeric color is going to make the veggies look so gorgeous. Add in 1 large tomato. Stir in and cook the tomatoes down, and that is going to take around a minute over medium-low flame. I'm going to throw in some salt, which is going to season our rice. About 1/2 teaspoon. And let everything cook for around a minute. Meanwhile, you're going to drain water from your rice, ready to add into the pot. Once the tomatoes are ready, add in your rice. Wow, just look at that gorgeous color. You can tell the rice is going to be very delicious. I'm cooking 1.5 cups of rice, so I'm going to add in 3 cups of water. Bring the flames to high. As you've seen, the recipe is super easy and simple with readily available ingredients which you have in your kitchen or you can't miss out in the market. And also, as I said earlier on, you can customize to use any veggies, whether it's potatoes or add in some broccoli, throw into the recipe and make this awesome, delicious masala rice. So now I'm going to cook the rice for around 4 to 5 minutes. After around 5 minutes, you'll notice that the water has evaporated such that you can see the rice. So at this point, we're going to reduce the flames to low because the rice is not yet fully cooked and we're going to be steaming. Then I love adding in my green beans and red capsicum at this point because the veggies always remain crunchy, which I absolutely love. Five minutes in, I'm going to check on my rice. So I'm going to throw the flames. Wow, and you can see all that steam trapped in the pot. And the rice has been perfectly cooking. So I'm going to use a fork and flap up my rice. That's perfect outcome. And serve. The first bite is going to be absolutely amazing because we are going to get a little bit of crunchy and there, since the veggies are still very crunchy. The rice is perfectly cooked. As you can see, we have a gorgeous yellow color from adding in the turmeric. It's flavorful and super delicious. It's perfect to serve over some protein stews like beef stew, chicken stew, because yeah, it's going to be a balanced diet because we have veggies, carbs, and the protein that you're going to be enjoying your lunch or dinner with. So try out this recipe.